Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered why almost every airplane you see is white? Is it simply a matter of design, or is there a hidden reason behind this curious phenomenon? Get ready, because today we're going to uncover the secrets behind the most common color on commercial aircraft. The answer is far more surprising than you might imagine. Before we dive into the details, think about this. What would happen if airplanes were black, red, or even gold? If cars can come in every color imaginable, why not airplanes? And if colors can make something more attractive, shouldn't airlines take advantage of that to stand out from the competition? Welcome to the Zero Turbulence channel, where we answer the aviation questions everyone wonders about but nobody dares to ask. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Alright, let's take off together. The decision to paint airplanes white is no coincidence. It is connected to science, safety, financial savings, and, as incredible as it may sound, even environmental protection. First of all, white has a major advantage. It reflects sunlight far better than any other color. Imagine an aircraft sitting under the sun for hours at an airport. If the fuselage were black or another dark color, it would absorb much more heat, increasing the temperature inside the cabin and affecting the aircraft's internal systems. This would not only be uncomfortable for passengers and crew, but could also damage sensitive components. In addition, white makes it easier to inspect the aircraft for cracks, dents, or corrosion. Structural defects are much more visible on a light-colored surface, allowing maintenance teams to detect and fix problems before they become safety risks. Now, let's talk about money, because yes, color also has a direct impact on costs. Painting an airplane is an expensive and heavy process, literally. A layer of paint can add up to 500 kilograms of extra weight to an aircraft, and the heavier an airplane is, the more fuel it consumes. But that's not all. White is also much easier to maintain. When an aircraft requires touch-ups, matching a solid white finish is far simpler than reproducing a customized color scheme. Choosing white therefore helps airlines save on long-term maintenance costs. Here's something few people know. White is not only economical, it's also environmentally friendly. When an aircraft burns less fuel due to lower weight, carbon emissions decrease. Furthermore, by reflecting more heat, white airplanes require less energy to maintain a comfortable cabin temperature, which also helps reduce their carbon footprint. Who would have thought that such a simple color could make a difference for the planet? But what about brightly colored airplanes? You may remember iconic designs such as the vibrant blue of Southwest Airlines or the colorful liveries used by airlines like Air New Zealand or Kulula. While these designs are visually appealing, most of them still use white as the base color. This means that beneath the colorful paint schemes, the fuselage remains predominantly white in order to retain all the advantages we've discussed. Airlines that choose more elaborate designs generally believe that the visual impact and marketing value justify the additional costs, but such choices remain relatively uncommon. Now that you know all this, the next time you see a white airplane crossing the sky, you'll understand that it's not just a simple aesthetic choice. It's a decision based on science, safety, economics, and environmental responsibility. Such a simple color, yet backed by so many compelling reasons. So, would you ever have imagined that white, the most basic color of all, could have such a significant impact on the aviation industry? Did you learn something new from this video? Let me know in the comments what surprised you the most. And if you have an aviation question, ask away. It might become the topic of our next video. If you enjoyed this content, a quick like only takes a couple of seconds and really helps the channel grow. And if you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, now's the perfect time so you don't miss any future takeoffs. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you very soon on Zero Turbulence.